The Movies is a game about the movies, by the now defunct Lionhead Studios. The game was conceptualised one day between Peter Molyneux's daily routine of cocaine binges and PR fuck-ups. So I had this really lovely idea. What is it, Peter? I was thinking we could make a game about the movies. Yeah, which ones, Peter? The movies. Yeah, Peter, which movies? I said, let's make a fucking game about the movies. And lo, the Movies was born. A game consisting of creating and running your own film studio, as well as churning out ungodly awful pieces of shit for the public to see. You're also responsible for hiring staff and keeping them happy. In time, people will flock to your studio either with modest expectations of janitorial duties or young hopefuls with dreams of fame and glory in Tinseltown. Look at this young hopeful here. Their whole career ahead of them. Hopes, dreams. Who knows what the future holds in store for this young, budding actor. So once you've built up your studio, hired staff and crushed a few dreams along the way, it's time to get to the main meat of the game, making movies. There's two ways of achieving this. You can hire people to write scripts for you, like your Apple exploiting Chinese labour, or you can get off your ass and make your own abominations, you lazy cunt. So with the basics out of the way, I think it's time I share with you some of my studio's finest works. I spent at least 20 hours making the most finely crafted cinematic experiences. I hope you guys at home enjoy.
Yes, my baby boy.
Mama.
Excuse me, sir, but do you realize you're going...
Now look here, buddy. I pay my goddamn taxes
Yes, sir, just
not
need
to
to-
get pushed around by
Sir,
a pencil-pushing pen dick like yourself,
Well,
buddy.
that's not very nice.
You mean,
Just-
you wanna
just-
fucking
whoa,
go, buddy?
Oh,
You wanna
Jesus.
fucking
Jesus
go? I'll fucking...
It's not easy being a fish, and it's not easy being a police officer. My name's Officer Fishlips, and I'm a cop. Ever since I was young, I just wanted to make a difference in the world. But even after achieving my dream job, things haven't been easy.
God damn it, Fish Lips, we need results, not excuses. Now go out there and give me pictures of Spider-Man.
Every day in this town is survival, and not everybody gets out alive. Freeze, kid! LAPD!
Oh shit!
Don't move!
Screw you, cop! I'll
Don't do
what
any
I
stupid,
fucking
kid!
want.
Kid! Kid! There aren't many good people left in this city, and the few people who are still remaining, they're disappearing fast.
Okay, guys. Put the money in the bag, and nobody gets bitch slapped, okay?
I got it, Fish Lips, I got
It's
it.
a dead Brady.
Go,
Don't do
scum.
anything stupid.
Yeah,
Brady, get down!
fuck you.
Brady! You motherfuckers! The Brady, just hang on. We'll have someone out soon.
Fish Lips? What? Why does the good always die young? What? Mary? Mother Mary? Is that, take me, Mary!
The Brady. The Brady!
Shit!
My name is Officer Fishlips, and this is my story.
In a peaceful city, one man and his father run a humble Mexican restaurant.
Son, I can finally pay off the mortgage, and I don't have the breast cancer. Truly, this is the happiest day of our life. My son,
But little do they know, danger is lurking around the corner.
Sir, we're detecting a spike in the level of Mexican food.
Mexican food? Not in my new empire!
Father!
Son,
Speak to me, Father!
you have to avenge the restaurant.
Father, don't go.
If not for me, then
Stay with me, Father.
for
Father!
Mexican cuisine.
No, Father! Poppy? Poppy?
With his livelihood in tatters and his father dead, Tortilla Man was now hunt for the most valuable condiment of them all. Justice. But the alien menace won't go down easily.
I don't know who he is, or where he's come from. All I know is I want him dead!
It'll take everything Tortilla Man has to serve a fresh plate of freedom to humanity.
You're too late, Tortilla Man. Once I press this button, I will achieve my final form and destroy your pathetic city. And there's nothing you can do. Yeah.
It's just too powerful.
It's over, Tortilla Man! I have the higher ground! What?
Not so fast, you ugly bastard. I will defeat you. Jesus, fuck
You're getting weak, old man!
you.
Alright, I admit that one got a little bit out of hand, so I'm sorry you had to witness that. Otherwise, movies, still a pretty fun game. It's not bad. Fair warning to anyone who's wanting to pick it up. Movie making is incredibly restrictive, but even then you can bash out some pretty stupid shit. So you know, if you're in the neighborhood, pick it up. Or don't. I'm not your mother.